Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to download Roblox Studio on your phone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for roblox.com. And you need to make sure that you log in your account on the browser. Okay, and now just go ahead and click on create, and now just go ahead and click on the double A at the upper left corner of your screen, and if you don't have that, just go ahead and click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Now click on request desktop website, and here now you can start using the Roblox Studio using your mobile device. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.